Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What is going on out there, everybody? Real quick, man. D, what up, cuz? Kinfolk. Hey, cuz, my older car, 2007 Dodge Charger 3.5, high output V6. Quit on me, cuz. We kinfolk. We see eye to eye. You're supposed to let me know these things. I wouldn't have let it quit on you. I would have told you what to do so it wouldn't quit on you. Let me finish reading. Change the fuel pump and diagnostic tool said the PCM and steering sensor. Change computer, still try starting, but won't turn over. Won't turn over? D. 07. Yes, 07 models have security skim. You saying you won't turn over? Did you used to turn over? But D, you gotta call me, bro. Yeah, this ain't cool, man. And you don't change a PCM out just because. Well, diagnostic tool said powertrain control module. It said what about the powertrain control module? It said powertrain control module bad. There's no such fault code. It's PCM bad. The diagnostic tool said powertrain control module and steering sensor. It said what about them? All right. Short circuit, volts high, open circuit, blah, 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 blah. Yes, just because you see a name do not mean you need those particular parts. Yes, guys, y'all gonna end up throwing away a lot of money diagnosing cars like that. That's not how you diagnose cars. Now, I know you don't have a scan tool, I'm not dogging you out. I'm just saying you may have wasted some money because obviously you have because you're still here. Now, you can't just put a PCM on a car. A computer is not plug and play, ladies and gentlemen. You don't just unplug your old PCM and put in a new PCM and expect to set out in your car and take this key and stick it in there and turn it and run and go and everything is lovely. No, it don't work like that. That stuff is not plug and play. A PCM will have to be married to your car, not programmed, not flash, none of that. You can get a used PCM. It is plug and play from a different standpoint, okay? Meaning somebody with a good scan tool got to go in and tell the security module, hello, a new PCM has just been installed. Can you please get acquainted with that and likely marry it so I can start my damn car? So basically, when I get a used PCM, I go into the skin module and tell it a new PCM has just been installed. They marry, now we start and go. That is not flash. That is not program. That is just merely initializing, so to speak. Marriage, they got to be on the same page. The security key in the skim module got to be the same as the security key the security code in the PCM, or you never start. So right off the bat, because if you put a PCM on your car, yeah, the reason you're not cranking because you are in theft mode. Yes, your computer thinks somebody's trying to steal the car. It'll give you at least 3 cranks. But after that, you ain't cranking no more, dog. You don't even own this car. I'm not gonna let you start and steal this poor man car. That's not the case, but that's how the computer sees it. All right, something ain't right. The code in this PCM not matching the security, so we're not gonna start. Give me a call, man. We gotta chop it up on that. Yeah, don't waste no more money. Don't throw no more parts at it. I'm gonna get like Ivan, Pine Hollow, Auto Diagnostic. He love them guys with them that be doing them Canon. What up, Mike William? What's going on, man? How you doing, man? How you living? All that good stuff, man. You know what's the deal? When the last time you used a scope? Easy, man. Why you gotta put me on the spot? I haven't. Okay. Ever since I left the school on the course for the scope. Okay. Easy. I can't. Now, guys, I have nothing bad to say about the scope and its capabilities or people that use scope. I'm at a point in my life where everything's about speed. Okay. Now you can diagnose cars quickly with a scope, but when something is working for you as you sit right now, as you stand right now, I don't want to interrupt that. Now, if I need a scope, if the diagnostic I'm doing, I think, or I come to the conclusion a scope would benefit me more on this particular problem, yes, I would pull out a freaking scope. All right. But going to hunt down a scope to do a compression test? Man, pull out a drawer, pull out my compression tester, screw it in, and I mean, you know what I'm saying? So yes, when the time warrants, I will use a scope, and I hope I can film it, okay? But yes, not every day you need a scope. I'm not gonna pull out a scope just because I got a freaking ABS code. Pull out a scope to tell me which ABS wheel speed sensor bad. No, I'm gonna look at the fault code and let it tell me which one bad. Okay, that's a whole lot quicker, right? Easy. Stop trying to start stuff, y'all. Easy, messy, man. Easy. You gotta watch Easy, man. All right, who's this with a Pentastar question? Ran with a 3.6 miles. How much life left on the cam phaser? It's hard to predict, but I've seen them go as low as 70, between 70 and 80. It got to the point where I started advising people, if you're in your engine, now I wouldn't say go in there just to do cam phasers because you got a lot of miles, but if you're in there and your miles has reached 80,000 or 70 to 80, yes, go ahead and do it. But don't plan a job to go in. I'm bored today. I think I'm gonna go in and replace all my cam phasers. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's not cool. But my man here on 1965 asked me, how much life do you have on the cam phasers? It's a spring-loaded mechanism designed basically to keep the car in time, or to transfer the timing chain torque to the camshaft to open and close the valve. So if I had to guess, 100,000 miles, all right? But because I've seen them fail earlier, that's why I changed my threshold on when I suggest you should replace them. But only do it if you in there, my dude, okay? If you don't have no problems right now, don't just go in there and do cam phases. You got a broken rocker arm and you got to go in there anyway, yes, go ahead and do it, all right? That's my take on it, at least. Okay. Hello, what's up, man? Question, do you use a ladder for the trans mount when you do a 62 TE? No, 62 TE on anything. You know the two bolts to hold the motor mount up top, I loosen them while the car is down. And then when all the weight is off the mount, I done unhooked all the bottom. I go up there with a small ratchet 18 millimeter and just take those bolts off, and then it drops. So no ladders. Hello guy, Chris, come on, man. Ain't no ladders in our shop. What's wrong with you, man? I'm tripping. No ladders, Chris. When you doing Saturday after 2, need a hitch installed. Come on by, Mike. We will make a special occasion for you, Mike. Come on by, man. We itching to see you. Eric Godfrey, everybody want to see you, Mike. Come on back, man.